Hello guys, welcome to Cyber Learning. In this video, I will show you how you can send location on WhatsApp. So for this, firstly you need to turn your location on. Now open the WhatsApp app and let's choose the person whom you want to send location. Now click on this paper clip and click on location. Now click on continue. And from here, you can send precise location or approximate location. But here we will go with the precise one and click on while using the app. Here it will give you different options of location. You can choose your location. Once you find your location, click on it and now you can share your live location for 15 minutes, for 1 hour or for 8 hours. But here we will go with 1 hour. So simply click on the send button. In this way, your location on WhatsApp will be shared. Here you see the option stop sharing. If you want to stop sharing your location, you can simply click on it and it will stop sharing. That's it for the video. I hope this content helped you. Subscribe to Cyber Learning. Bye.